So I'm Casey with Casey's Paint Shop, and we are here today with our good friends from RUPES. We got Todd with us today. Okay, so you said there's a 5-year warranty on these.
So yeah, so 5-year warranty applies to any tools sold in North America after February of 2026. So none of these.
None of these, okay.
Absolutely none of these. Some of these are classics, by the way. I mean, it's
That's
really,
right.
you're
And
a vintage guy with some vintage tools.
And I'm gonna take all the serial numbers so I know I get my cool stuff back too.
Yeah, please do. So what RUPES does on the new tools, you get a little QC code, scan it, 5-year warranty. Otherwise, it's a standard 1-year warranty on all of the tools. All of these are older tools that KC and his crew have been
whooping on.
Yeah, I was going to say abusing, but we'll say
That
using.
too.
And we started most of them. They still run, but they've seen better days. So any tools sold in North America since 2011, since RUPES has made an impression here in this continent, is subject to our flat rate repair. And the way the flat rate repair works like this. There's kind of 3 tiers. One is pneumatic tools. I think it's, I want to say as of today, $85. And what that includes is freight to and from the factory. The factory's in Denver, Colorado. The tool goes in. Anything that's not in factory spec is replaced. It comes back. And again, that's prepaid freight that's included in the charge. Electric tools, I believe right now is $125. And for $125, it's the same exact deal. Prepaid shipping label, you go on rupesusa.com, support, product, flat rate repair, or after warranty repair. Fill out the form, get a prepaid label. Tell us, please, what's wrong with the tool. If it's just general maintenance, say that. But if you don't, tools like cars have a way of breaking on the road, and then when you get close to the dealership, they suddenly work again and they can't find anything wrong. So please give us a detailed description of what's wrong with it. Don't say tool isn't working. They tend to work when they get back to the factory. But so for $125, anything that is not in factory spec is replaced. And so let me give a good example. Tomorrow my coworker Chris is coming, and I always tell the story because it happened. He lives in New Orleans. This happened in 2017, a guy from New Orleans. He called me and he said, hey, I have a Mark II, which is one of these guys, have been around for a while. And I've been using it for 2 years. I've replaced the power cord with like an extension cord. I've dropped it, the handle's missing, the body's broken half and duct taped together. And then last week, it was still working, but it was working a little rough. Last week I locked it in a cabinet and a pipe broke and my shop flooded and it was sat underwater for 2 days. And when I turned it on, it still sparks. And my first piece of advice was let's not turn it on anymore. And then I said, this is perfect for the flat rate repair because with all of that damage, a broken handle, broken half, the speed dial was depressible. He had to duct tape the trigger on, different power cord. This thing has fallen off of scaffolding 3 times for well, at the time it was $110. He got basically a brand new tool back.
Nice.
So if you need brushes, replace the brushes. Otherwise, we make a lot of money on it. But if you have a tool, or like in your case where you've been a RUPES customer for a long time, you have these tools that have been in use and are getting a little bit outside, the way the flat rate repair works is simple. The tool goes back to the factory. It goes down the same assembly line that built the tool. It's segregated out to the side, but it's the same assembly line. And any part of the tool that isn't in factory spec is replaced. So I'm actually looking forward to when you get these 7 polishers back because they're going to look new. It's going to be fantastic.
Nice. And
they're going to run like brand new. And they also, that flat rate repair includes a post warranty. I think it's 3 months that's covered from any defect afterwards. And then the 3rd tier is for vacuum systems. We make dust-free vacuum. It's $199, but the same thing. Send it in, prepaid freight to and from. We'll send you back the fixed vacuum. So it really is a unique thing, and it's one of the nice things about having a factory in the United States is we're one of the few companies that have a factory in the U.S. and that allows us to offer a factory-backed warranty repair program.
Awesome. Very cool. I'll be curious to see. So what's my oldest one here? Can you tell by looking at the dates on them?
Let me see. So it's going to be, this guy is January 2016. So this is a Mark II. This was one of the first Mark IIs. It's definitely been run quite a bit. The shroud is worn back. Typical wear marks. The backing plate probably was replaced somewhere.
We've
in the
replaced the
life.
backing
Yep.
pads, yeah.
And but otherwise, the tool itself is.
And we've never sent any of these in to been repaired.
Even for brush, have you replaced the brushes?
I don't. Have you ever? I've never replaced the brushes on any of them. We go through these pretty heavy, like we explained earlier.
Yep.
But we're pretty rough on these. We'll buff the whole inside of a bed with one of these on max. Pretty much, might as well just tape this thing down, and we'll buff the inside of a bed with one of these. So we've been pretty rough on them. We've replaced the head on one of them, I believe. But other than that, I mean, for as long as we've had them, I mean, they've done really well.
Yeah, well, you've definitely run them through the test. This one's missing letters. The rubber feet on the Mark IIs are wearing out because they've been set down so much.
Yeah.
But that's what these tools are meant for, and that's why that flat rate repair exists, is because the reality is this. RUPES tools are not the cheapest in the market, and we understand that. So they are a lifetime investment, and having a factory-backed flat rate repair allows you to have a lifetime investment in these tools.
Nice. Cool. Well, I'll be excited to see what these look like when they come back.
We're excited for you to try them and wreck them again so we can repair them again for you again.
Perfect.